One workshop is on website design and development, and the other workshop is on renewable energy resources. These two are two diverse fields, two completely different areas. In one workshop, you'll be learning about skills, where the other workshop tends to give you knowledge regarding renewable energy sources. We thought we can have a common inauguration. Instead of having two separate venues, we'll have a common inauguration for both the workshops, and that's the reason why we're all assembled here. But the two areas that were selected over which we are having these workshops today are not only related to one specific field of study, but these areas require to be acquired knowledge, or at least a few details about these two areas should be there with all engineers. That is what I feel. Website design and development is not related to computer science and IT students alone. Website design and development can be a hobby too. Anybody can learn about website design. Anybody can develop websites once they have learned the skills that are required to develop a website. And any additional skill that you acquire in your life will be an added advantage to you throughout your career. Any skill. It need not be related to your engineering alone. Any skill that you acquire will help you throughout your career. You're always seen as a person having an advantage over the others who do not procure such a skill. So website design and development is something like that, which can be learned and mastered by everybody from every branch. So that is the reason our IEEE student branch has come up with that idea of conducting a workshop in that particular area. And I also thank our students from CSE department, Mr. Harin and his team, for readily agreeing to be the resource person for this workshop and share his knowledge that he has acquired with all of you who will be present for this workshop. Website design and development can be a hobby, and it can be a career as well. If you are interested in creating and designing websites and become a professional in that, there are so many number of job opportunities available today. So it's not just a hobby, not just a small skill. It can be turned into an entire career. So people who are participating in this workshop, if you feel that it can really help you and you have a passion towards it, I advise you to choose it as a career. And the second workshop that we have today is renewable energy sources, which is a very hot topic today. We all know that at what kind of situation we have today in terms of our energy resources. What kind of problems we are going to face in future. How is our world today? How is our earth? What kind of resources it is providing us, and at what level are we? What happens after a few hundred years? Will we have our fuels over which we are running our lives each and every moment, each and every day? Can we run our vehicles without fuel? Can we live without electricity? Can we live without the energy resources that we are living on today? Three most popular resources that we are living on today are natural gas, fuels, and what else? These three resources are the ones that we are living on. But renewable energy resources can help us live without any problem in terms of the energy that is required for years together. And that is where entire research is going on today. And we need to do a lot in terms of not only understanding and saving the present resources that we have, but also devise ways of understanding how to utilize these renewable energy resources, which are mainly sourced from sunlight, water, etc., wind energy, and so on, and use these resources for our daily lives. So I hope this workshop, the other workshop on renewable energy resources, will help you to understand where we are and what we need to do in that particular aspect, and help us provide better lives, not only for ourselves, but the entire world. So I congratulate the departments of ECE as well as the Mechanical Engineering Department for taking this initiative to conduct the workshops on these two areas. And I thank Dr. Ramani ma'am for accepting our request and coming all the way to our college for sharing her knowledge, vast knowledge that she has acquired in this area with all of you. And I also thank Mr. Harin for taking this initiative. Thank you, and I wish you all the best. Please learn and apply these skills that you have learned in your day-to-day life. Thank you so much.